features and attitude. Every time I see her, it's deja vu. 'Cause I feel I'm falling for you. Baby, you're a classic. I just gotta have it every day. Sprinkle of the magic, making me feel some type of way. You got me saying, baby, you're a classic. Classic, classic, ooh. Maybe not this cold, let go. Be myself, the sleeping girl, coming beside my God. It's so damn like I could falling for you. Baby, you're a classic. I just gotta have it every day. Sprinkle of the magic, making me feel some type of way. You got me saying, ooh, ooh, oh. Baby, you're a classic. A classic, classic. Ooh, video, sing with me. Go, no, no, oh, oh, no, no, oh, no, no, oh, oh, no, no, oh, no, no, oh, oh, no, no. Falling and falling for you. Baby, you're a classic. I just gotta have it every day. Sprinkle of the magic, making me feel some type of way. You gotta say it. Baby, you're a classic. A classic, classic, ooh. What's up, CDO? CDO Buckingham! Grabe, ang dami nyo! Kamusta po kayo lahat? Kumain na ba? Hindi pa kayo kumain? In-expect nyo bang bubusugin ko kayo? Tama-tama. Bubusugin ko kayong lahat! Yeah! Magpapakilala mo muna ako. Magandang gabi po, CDO. Ako po si Stel. And nandito po ako para i-promote ang aking EP na Room EP. Kaya naman gusto ko kayo welcome sa aking room tour. Hello everyone! Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ngayong gabi. And yes, this is my first Room nationwide tour. And this is my third stop po dito sa Cagayan de Oro. Maraming salamat po sa mainit na pagtanggap sa akin. Nung last time na nandito ko, kasama ko yung kapatid ko, SB19. But, yeah, I'm here alone. Kamusta yung mga nasa taas? Kamusta? Yung nasa second floor, kamusta? Yung nandito sa baba, kamusta? Cagayan de Oro, kamusta? Wow, grabe. Grabe yung energy nyo. Every time na pupunta ako ng ibang city, iba't ibang klaseng energy. Pero ngayon, grabe yung energy. Anong meron? Hindi ko sa gilid, okay ba? Dito, okay? Yung nasa likod, okay ba? So, are you guys excited for tonight? Nako, kinakabahan ako kasi kilala ko kasi pag nandito kami sa Cagayan de Oro, yung mga tao dito, super supportive and sobrang pagmamahal sa amin. Kaya naman ngayon pa lang, Cagayan de Oro, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Maraming salamat. So, ready na ba kayo for my next song? Itong